Be with you all. I see you all as my close relatives. I am Dr. Chokkalingam. I am a chief cardiologist. Can anyone guess my age, please? Anyone? If you don't know my age, anyone can guess, please? 72. You will be surprised. I am now 82. I am now. But once I joined with Jay and Nandini with a group, and I'm standing before you, I feel I am only 30-year-old guy. I will tell you the secret of how one can be healthy, thereby we can even reverse your age also. Till today, Chokkalingam has not taken even a single tablet in my life. That is what I wish you all should follow, how one can be healthy without any medicines at all. Okay? I'll give a very brief talk and then I will ask questions and answers. It won't be lengthy at all. Okay? Now, if you want that, how many hearts are there God has given you? How many hearts everyone has got? நீங்க வந்து கொஞ்சம் இன்வால்வ் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். And Nandini also, everyone should be. Okay, Karthik? How many hearts are there, children? One. That is what I've been taught. Karthik, the real sense, there are 3 hearts are there. One is what you are mentioning, the heart of what you are telling my specialty. The second and third hearts are the calf muscles. The peripheral muscle heart is one in the right calf muscle, other one is left calf muscle. Unless you keep that peripheral hearts are active, the blood cannot be pumped from the legs to the heart. Heart cannot suck that one. Am I clear? Once you lie down, it will, by gravity, blood will go from the legs to the heart. There is no need at all. As long as you are in the erect or standing position, you must be all the time kinetic. What Jay has been now arranging is the one walking, running, jogging, swimming, anything, be kinetic. Once you don't give the muscles of the calf active, the heart will get spoiled. And that running or any sports activity, aerobic activity, please remember, it will make your heart stronger. Am I clear this one? Any doubt about that? Okay. I will ask you one question, Jay. If your heart has to work more than 100 years, it is possible? Our children must take part in answering my question. Am I clear? Suppose heart talks to you. If it is not going to talk, what it will ask you? What do you think heart will ask you? Tell me.
Just stay active.
Active one. Then, what else, Nandini? What the heart will ask you? It is going to talk to you. Heart is asking. What do you think it will ask you? Anyone can guess?
Blood circulation.
Blood circulation. One meeting when I addressed in Toronto, about 2,000 people were there. One person stood up. I want to give rest for the heart. The moment you want to give the rest for the heart, your life is ended. So you should not give the rest for the heart at all. So please remember, heart does not need anything except happiness. So heart, what does it need? Only happiness. The moment you are happy, heart will work for more than 100 years. There is no need to take medicines. How that happiness one will get it by means of running, by means of exercising. Anything may give happiness.
What gives heart?
Am I clear? So my question is, when will you be happy? What will give happiness, my children? Tell me. I'm seeing my grandchildren.
Kati.
Soon I'll be seeing my great grandchildren. What do you think will give happiness?
Happy wife.
Eh?
Happy wife.
Happy wife, that is true. Suppose wife is not giving happiness, you should not become unhappy. What do you think will give
Kati,
happiness?
bolo. Tell.
Yes?
Strength.
What will give
Exercise
happiness?
keep strength.
Any skill, any exercise.
Any exercise? Oh, you people are here also. Now see here,
Satisfaction in life.
happiness only in giving. Let it be your knowledge, your work, time or money. Keep giving. Happiness will never come down. So which is the thing most important to be happy? Keep giving. I will ask you one question now. that answer is correctly given, I will give them, Jay, $100 I'll give them. Now everyone is alert in asking very good question. So happiness is only in giving. Many for happiness what that than giving. Can you guess? Happiness in giving, which will be much more giving happiness. Anyone can guess?
சொல்லு
Yes?
சொல்லு
Is it
Glad children are attempting the answer. Yes?
you don't
happy life maybe?
That is true. That is what I am telling you. Happiness.
What makes you happy?
Family.
what makes you happy
Family.
Sharing.
Sharing. Good. How see that how children are answering. What about parents?
caring
Receiving from the people who are giving to us.
Oh, this is one.
Somebody has to give
I
us.
will
Somebody
tell
has
you a
to
name. Your name? Srini. If you are going to the receiving end, they may not give you, then you will become unhappy. So always never be in a receiving end, always be in the giving and the giving end of that happiness will come down. So happiness in giving, what is the $100 question? You never answered me. Much more happiness what, Jay?
Doing what you like.
What do you like?
Financial independence.
Financial independence?
Good health.
Eh?
Being healthy physically and mentally.
Suppose, that is true. That is what happiness will make you healthy. That is true, no doubt about it.
Giving knowledge. Giving
My giving,
knowledge.
that is what I included. Giving maybe work, time, knowledge, money, anything giving. You are repeating once again. If you answer right, wrongly, I will fine you
Consistency is another
$100.
happiness. Consistency.
Consistency, very good. I appreciate. Please, my dear children,
different words, huh?
Jayashree wants to convey good health.
agreed, Jayashree. Satisfaction. So nobody is now getting me $100. What about my friends? What do you think? Giving is happiness. Much more happiness is meditation. That may be adding peace of mind.
Peace. Learning maybe.
So nobody is getting $100. He is only with me now. Not expecting service.
Mental health.
So shall I give the answer, Jay? So happiness is giving. Manifold happiness is in forgiving.
wow excellent
The moment you are going to have a tendency of forgiving,
excellent
nothing will be spoiled. Your relationship, husband, wife, your relatives, countries, everything can live in oneness, in harmony. Okay. Why that important? Did I ask you to smile? You are only smiling. Did I ask you to clap your hands? The two things are given for a human being of sixth sense. Cat, dog, they cannot laugh, they cannot clap. God has given that one of that laughing and clapping. I will tell you the secret of clapping. Why that happiness is very important? Can anyone guess?